me to jump? I like that. I like that, Jumbo. That's a fun way to jump. All right, here we go.
Jump, 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 jumping higher we. But we'll stop jumping while we count to 3.
All right, we're gonna. 1, 2, 3. Good job, Mr. Tar!
Jump, 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 jumping even more. We'll stop jumping while we count to 3.
4. Good job! All right,
Jump, 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 just let go of sticks. But let's stop jumping while we count to 6.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job! All right, how about it, Mr. Willow?
Jump, 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 jumping really neat. To stop our jumping while we count to 8.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job! All right, last time. Jump as high as you can.
Jump, jump,
These are
jump,
some big
jump,
jumps.
jump,
Woo!
jump,
Woo! Big jumps. All right, now we're gonna go all the way to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good
And
job.
you can jump right back down
Everybody
into
jump
your
into your
seats.
seats. Good work.